Hi everyone, welcome to e-learning. In this video, I have come up with two more problems on Poisson distribution. Let us see the problem first. This is a first problem. I will read out a problem for you. On an average, a telephone operator receives 3 telephone calls per minute. Find the probability that in a particular minute, C does not receive any call, and second one is C received more than 2 calls. So here they have an given average, that is on an average a telephone operator receives 3 telephone calls. So here the lambda is 3. Then you need to find out C does not receive any call and she received more than 2 calls. Yes, our first job is to assign a name. Let x be the number of telephone calls receives per minute. Here the number of calls per minute that we take as a x. Probability mass function of Poisson distribution is probability of x equals to e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x divided by x factorial. So this is the probability mass function of Poisson distribution. Then they told you to calculate regarding two things. First thing is does not receive any call, and second question is received more than 2 calls. We will see first one, does not receive any call. Does not receive any call. So in a particular minute, she does not, that is telephone operator does not receive any call. Does not receive any call. Then here we will take probability of x equals to does not receive any calls. That is probability of x equals to does not receive any call means it is 0. So here probability of x equals to 0 is probability of 0. That is wherever x is there we will put as a 0. Then we need a lambda, that is an average. Lambda is an average of a Poisson distribution or only one parameter of Poisson distribution. If you see first line of a problem, you will understand what is the lambda. On an average, a telephone operator receives 3 calls per minute. So on an average, so they have given average here, that average is itself a lambda. That is what lambda value will take here, lambda equals to 3. We have two parameters for binomial distribution, those are n and p. We have only one parameter for Poisson distribution, that is lambda. If they have not mentioned the lambda, they usually give the n and p. If you multiply by n and p, then you will get lambda. Otherwise, if they give variance, we know in Poisson distribution mean and variance are equal, or mean and variance are same. So here they have given on an average, so lambda is 3, and we will put lambda values here. First we will write e minus 3 into 3 raised to 0 divided by x factorial is 0 factorial. Then here e raised to minus 3 is there, that is what, lambda is 3. I have taken here 3. So this you need to take it from a table, that is percent distribution exponents. Here the value of e raised to minus 3 is 0.0498 into 3 raised to 0 is always 1 divided by 0 factorial is always 1. So the answer would be 0.0498. And this is a probability that a telephone operator does not receive any call in a given minute, that is 0.0498 is a probability that she does not receive any call in a particular minute. Take a note of this. Then second probability you need to calculate, that is telephone operator receives more than two calls, receives more than two calls in a given minute. That is, you can convert this as probability function as probability x is more than two calls that you can write it here, x is more than 2 or greater than 2 here. Then here more than 2 means it may be 3, 4, 5, so it is infinite. That's why what we take is, we know the total probability is 1, that is what, here 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, it is a probability, and here from it will probability of x is more than 2 is, we leave 2 here and we start with 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or till infinite calls. So the total probability is 1. That's why what we calculate is, instead of calculating this part, we calculate this part and we deduct this. Here that this we can write, instead of this we can write 1 minus probability of x is less than or equals to 2. So here we have not included 2, that's why it is less than or equals to 2. This we can write probability 1 minus probability less than 2 is nothing but it may be 0, 1 and 2. Less than 2 or equals to 2 is 0, 1, 2. That is what probability 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2. We need to calculate only these three. That is 1 minus, that is what we need to insert in a probability mass function. Wherever x is there, we will put 0, here 1, for this 2. That is for 3 raised to 0 divided by 0 factorial, e raised to minus 3 into 3 raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial plus e raised to minus 3 into 3 raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial. Then 1 minus, here e is a common, e raised to minus 3 is common, and this is common for all the three. That's why I will take it here, raised to minus 3 into 3 raised to 0 is 1 divided by 0 factorial is 1. Plus is there, we will put plus, and this you will leave it. 3 raised to 1 is always 3. 1 factorial is always 1, plus 3 raised to 2, 3 2 times, 3 into 3 is 9 divided by 2 factorial is 2 into 1, that is 2. Then I will take it here, this I will take it here, equals to 1 minus this e raised to minus 3 is you need to find out from a table, that is Poisson distribution exponents table, that e raised to minus 3 is 0.0498 into 1 divided by 1 is 1, plus 3 divided by 1 is 3, 9 divided by 2 is plus 9 divided by 2. So 1 minus 0.0498 into multiplied by 0. It is 8.5. 1 minus this 0.0498 into 85 is 0.4233. 1 minus 0.422233 is 0.5767. So this is a probability that a telephone operator receives more than 2 calls per minute. That is what? 0.5767 is a probability. Take a note of this.
Let us begin with the second problem. I will read out the problem for you. A manufacturing process produces 1% defective articles. Articles are supplied in a packets of 10 each. Find the probability that a randomly selected packet contains: first one, no defective articles; second one, at least one defective article; third one, exactly 2 defective articles. Here you need to find out all these three. So observe the problem here. There is 1% defective article, so this is your P. That is what? Probability of success is the manufacturing process produces 1% defective articles. Then articles are supplied in packets of 10 each, so this is your N. Here lambda is not given, so if you multiply N and P, then we will get a lambda.
Read a particular problem twice and you will understand the problem. Let us start with the solution. Here they have given probability of success. If you take P as a probability of success, then probability of success is 1% of articles are defective. So 1% is nothing but 1 divided by 100 is 0.01. Probability of success, that is defective articles is 1% of defective articles, that is 1 divided by 100 equals to 0.01. The N is also given, that is 10 set of packs. So 10 into probability of success, that is P. N is 10, then the particular lambda they have not given, that you need to find out from these two using N and P. So N into P, it is 10 multiplied by probability of success, that is 0.01, we will get 0.1. So lambda is 0.1. Then if you write probability mass function of Poisson distribution is e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x divided by x factorial. If we insert this lambda values into here, probability mass function, we will get e raised to minus 0.1 into 0.1 raised to x divided by x factorial. Then the first probability you need to find out is no defective articles. No defective articles. No defective articles is probability of x equals to no defective articles. That is, this you can write it as probability of x equals to no defective articles is no is 0. So here probability of x is 0, that we will insert here probability of x is 0 is nothing but probability of 0, that is e minus e raised to minus 0.1 into 0.1 raised to 0 divided by x is 0 factorial. Then e raised to minus 0.1, this you need to find out from a table value. That table value is given as 0.9048 into 0.1 raised to 0 is always 1 and 0 factorial is always 1. So if you simplify this, you will get 0.9048, and this is a probability that there will not be no defective in a set of 10 packs. That is 0.9048, there will be no defective articles. Second probability you need to find out, that is at least one defective article, at least one defective article. At least one defective article is, that is probability of x is at least one defective article. Then this we can write it as probability of x is more than or equals to 1. At least means it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, still infinite. So at least one defective, that is probability of x is more than or equals to 1, that is it may be 1, 2, 3 till n or infinite. So then we know the whole probability is 1. So the one more probability is 0 is there here. So 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, the whole probability 1. Instead of calculating this part, we calculate this part, and this you can deduct from a whole, that is 1. That is, I will take it here as, this is very important line, probability of x is more than or equals to 1 is equals to 1 minus probability of x is less than 1, that is 1 minus probability x is less than 1. So 1 minus probability is less than 1 is nothing but less than 1 is we leave of 1 and we will take it only 0. So that is probability is of 0. Then 1 minus probability of 0, we already find out in earlier thing, that is the answer probability of 0 is nothing but for this 0.9048 0.9048. 1 minus 0.9048 is 0.0952. So this is a probability that there will be at least one defective article in a selected sample. Take a note of this. Third probability, you need to find out two defective articles. That is what? In a selected particular sample or a randomly selected packet, there will be two defective articles. That is, you can write it here, probability x equals to 2 defective articles. So that is what probability of x equals to 2. Then probability of x equals to 2. Here probability mass function is e raised to minus 0.1 raised to 0.1 raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial. E raised to minus 0.1 is 0.9048. This is a table value. You need to take it, find out from a table, into 0.1 raised to 2, that is 0.12 times 0.1 into 0.1 is 0.01 divided by 2 factorial is there, so 2 into 1, this 0.4524 into 0.01, then we will get 0.004524. This is the probability that in a randomly selected packet it contains exactly two defective articles. Take a note of this, and I have covered totally two problems on Poisson distribution. First one is, it is based on a telephone calls per minute, and second one is the articles produced by a company, and there will be a number of defective items in a particular set of 10 packets or randomly selected packets. How many defective articles are there, that we have found it here. So take a note of this, and in next video I will come up with some more problems on Poisson distribution. Thank you.